Hello amazing people, this is Chris Aseka from Crystal's Properties, and today we are inspecting this massive 8-bedroom duplex sitting on 2.5 plot of land somewhere in Eneka Portharcourt, River State. So this is the outside. You can see there are enough flowers. The place is decorated with ornamental flower, and this place can contain up to 5 cars. So you can see it is a massive building, and we are going right inside to see what the inside looks like. So come with me. We are going to see what the inside of this building looks like. So come with me. So here we are inside, right inside, and that is the lobby. This is the sitting room. Wow, you can see what it looks like. Look at the POP, the doors, the windows, the walls. Wow, this place is well aerated. Even without AC, you are sure of good ventilation. And you can see the walls, you can see the designs on the wall, you can see how massive it is. So that is the dining area. This is the dining. Imagine that beautiful giraffe design on the wall. And from this end, you can see it is so spacious. You can see it is big. You can see this place is massive. So from here we go to the kitchen, and this is the kitchen. You can see there are beautiful kitchen cabinets, the marble tiles, the cabinets. There's a chair inside the kitchen. There's everything. There's a water heater. There's a fridge inside the kitchen. You can see it is so beautiful. So we are still going. Stay with me on this journey. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside of this building. So here we are going inside. Come with me. This is the staircase. Climb up, climb up, climb up, climb up. Wow, we are there. Okay, this is one of the room. This is what it looks like. This is the room, and from here you can see it have a sit out. There's a sit out. So this is the sit out. From this sit out you can see the view of the environment. You can see this is your view. This is what it looks like. Enough ventilation. So we are back inside. This is what the inside looks like. And from here we are inspecting another room. Wow, so this is the master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. You can see this is very massive. This is spacious. This is huge. Look at the beautiful design. Wow, that is me. Yeah, man. We are still going. This is another room. This is it. That is the wardrobe, the window. Okay, this is the hallway. Wow, 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 wow. So welcome, 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 welcome. We are going. So you can see how beautiful, how spacious it is. I intentionally decide not to cover any of the bathroom. I just say let me cover that of the masters alone. So this video will not be long. So this is the bathroom in the master's bedroom. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So this is it. This is it. So wow, 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 wow. That is the shower. That is the water heater. Wow, this is massive. This is beautiful. Come with me. We are still going. So this is another room. You can see the POP design. You can see the walls. The walls are shaded. So from here you can see the bathroom. We are going. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will not be taking the bathroom. So you will agree with me that this is lovely. This is beautiful. This is specifically made for the big boys of Portharcourt. So this is another room. There are 8 bedrooms in this building. So this is another room. That is the wardrobe. I don't want this video to be long, so I will not be covering so much details. So we are out of this place looking for another room. This is another room. This is it. The POP, the wardrobe, the window. This is it. It is so beautiful. It is so lovely. So stay with me on this journey. I assure you, you are going to love it. Stay with me. Don't go anywhere.